Hi everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to take you a very beautiful airport which is in high demand for people. People want to stay here for layovers and you can spend 5-6 hours. You will never want to go out from here. Let's go. The airport has a unique amenities like a pool, a butterfly garden and a free movie theater. And yes, you guessed it right. It is a Singapore airport, also known as Changi Airport. And it has a Singaporean brand called Charles and Keith, which the prices are very low here. If you compare to India prices, it is 50 to 60% lower. So you can just have a look at it here. You'll get a good stocks. You know the best part of shopping in Singapore? Tourists in Singapore can claim GST refunds on purchase over 100 SGD at shops like Charles & Keith and also shops with the tax-free logo in any Singapore market. Just ask for the receipt of your bill at checkout. At the airport, before immigration, go to GST refund counter with your passport, your receipt, boarding pass and goods which you have bought. Refund can be made to your credit card and in cash. You can go and ask to any help desk, they will assist you. While going towards the immigration, I was so stunned to see the airport on the way. I felt this is not a regular airport. It had an indoor garden, playful jazz music, a slide, a sunflower garden, a butterfly garden and a huge wall with a screen with waves. Can you see this? Isn't it massive and stunning? It was like the more steps we were taking, the more surprises were waiting, It was like each steps were the best one than the last. And finally we reached the immigration and we came to know that it is just a 10 seconds process, You just have to scan the passport and the door gets unlocked. You go further, you scan your face and if everything is right, another door opens and you go further and you're just done. It's simple as that. After immigration, we proceeded towards the hotel. Again, there were so many surprises. The interior was so beautiful. So immigration and everything was done within a seconds. And we had a booking in T3, which is Crown Plaza, and we landed in T2. So to go to T3 from T2, you have to take a SkyTrain. Finally, we could see our hotel and we went inside. We had to check in, so we went down to the check-in counter. And the best part of this airport is, wherever you see the flowers, it's full of orchid. Be it in the airport, be it in the check-in counter, the orchids were so beautiful. We got our keys after doing the formalities, and when we went inside the room was stunning. Look at the washroom. It was so huge and I felt so cozy inside. It was already evening time when we checked in and we did not want to waste our time. We wanted to explore the airport more and more because it was T2 that we have seen and we wanted to explore T3 as well. So as soon as we came inside, we changed our clothes and we went to T3 to explore. As we went in the evening to explore the airport in T3, we saw this Hey Tea. I'm sure you might be aware of this Hey Tea. It is one of the most popular China's bubble drink. I had one in Hong Kong, but I was not sure in Singapore. We decided to try one and the taste was really nice. We enjoyed. You might have heard about the rain vortex in the airport, the tallest waterfall. So we wanted to see the same. We just had to cross a footbridge and there we were. And there was also music, live music going on inside the fountain, and there was a timing and we came in the right timing. The timing were Monday to Thursday. It began from 8 for 5 minutes and again after 1 hour, that is 9 for 5 minutes. And in Sunday and public holidays, the water show began from 8 for 5 minutes, 9 p.m. for 5 minutes and 10 for 5 minutes. And it is so amazing to watch, especially when the SkyTrain passed through. It looks very cute. The beautiful 5 minutes were over and we wanted to check something more. And when we came one level down from there, we saw Miniso Go. In India, we used to see Miniso, but here it was Miniso Go, something unique. So we wanted to check the shop and it was so pretty. The dolls, the cute cosmetics, everything was so nice and we had a good shopping here too. were already starving and we wanted to have something, so we went to level B1 from the lift. And as soon as we came down, there were so many food court, and we saw this beautiful shop, huge shop, and the name was Donkey. And they were playing a very loud music which was very enjoyable, and we wanted to go inside before eating something. It had so many noodles, useful things inside, so we had the shopping here again, and we went to MACD. We had something here again, the same thing. The process was so easy. There were so many screens. You just have to go and stand in front of the screen. You have to order MACD just like you order online, and you have to take out the order number, go to the counter, give the number, and wait in a table. The MACD comes in the table. So easy peasy. By this time we were tired, but we wanted to explore more outside the airport as well, but unfortunately it was raining very heavily outside, so we decided to go back to the room and rest. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my small tour of the airport. This tour wasn't enough because the airport is very big. So next time whenever you come here, be it in the Singapore or be it in the airport Holt, you take a good amount of layover and you can explore the whole airport. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself.